Have you been curious about all of the cream blushes that are out there? Well, me too. Hi, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best, and over on my Facebook and my Instagram pages, I get more requests about cream blushes than just about anything else, so I picked up a few. If you're over 40, over 50, you're probably just like me, and powder blushes have been your go-to. That's kind of what we all grew up with, and while cream blushes are not new, but they seem to be just like, whoa, everywhere these days. So one of the ones that I picked up is the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. I'm absolutely loving this. Really quick, let me show you how to use this to get the best look on your mature skin, just like the pros would do it. You're going to need a dense foundation brush. This is the one that I don't use this for foundation, but I do use this for cream products. If I use a cream bronzer, if I use a cream blush, and this is perfect. So I do get a lot of messages from people who say that they have tried the cream blushes and it just looked like clown cheeks. Going in with a very delicate hand and using a brush is the secret, but I also have a secret weapon. So let's start with the cream blush. I'm using the color Dusty Rose. And because these tend to be very pigmented, what I would really encourage you to do is to do one side at a time. Do one side, blend it in. Do the other side, blend it in. Then go back and just finesse it a little bit to make sure that it's the color that you want. Our tendency might be to swipe this on, but I really want to encourage you to dot it on fairly close up on your cheekbone. You're going to aim towards your temple and don't go past the middle of your eye. I do think that this Dusty Rose is a very good neutral color. If you're not entirely sure what color to choose, I really feel like it would be good on most skin tones. Can you see that you really do get a lot? And it really does set up or dry pretty quickly. So that's why I really want to encourage you to just do one side at a time and go in with a really delicate hand, again, going up and out toward your temple. See, it's a really good color payoff. So I love this color payoff. I think it's so good. And these e.l.f. Camo liquid blushes, very, very affordable. Of course, everything from e.l.f. super, super affordable. You know, I'm always looking for really good, affordable makeup. You could add more. I think I would probably add a little bit more, but here is my secret for really getting a gorgeous, gorgeous payoff for cream blushes to last all day long. Are you ready? If your blush seems to fade throughout the day, I find a powder blush that closely matches the liquid blush. These are very, very similar. And then I set the cream blush with just a little bit of powder blush. Just like you would set your foundation or your concealer, same thing. So I just take a blush brush and I'm going to take this. This is a blush from Catrice. This is actually called Peach Heaven. I will link everything down in the description below. And I'm just going to lightly dust over where I applied the cream blush, a little on the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to put some just above my eyes, and it just ties it all together. My hair is in the way because I always do my makeup first before I do my hair. So now I'm like, how do I get my bangs out of the way? This e.l.f. liquid blush I'm in love with. So good. You cannot beat it for the price. But get a dense foundation brush to apply that with a light hand so that you don't get the clown cheeks. And then if you want a really professional look that lasts all day, you will have the most gorgeous blush all day long. Follow it up with just a really light application of your favorite powder blush that matches the color, and you will be amazed how much more beautiful, how much more long lasting and professional it looks all day long. If this was helpful, I would love it if you would like this video, subscribe, come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.